providing current. The circular loop is behaved like a magnet. That magnet is placed in a magnetic dipole. It is experienced a force, that is a turning effect of force. That force is called as torque. Okay. Next step is that torque is a vector quantity. That's the reason we want to find out direction of it. Magnitude we already know. Torque equal to m cross b. M is the magnetic dipole moment. B is the magnetic field. Cross meaning is mb sin theta. Clear, Anasta? Next is find out the direction. Magnetic field direction we have to find out using right hand screw rule. But in the case of torque, we have to find out the direction using the rule is right hand rule. The difference is that in the case of right hand rule, thumb is the direction of magnetic field and fingers are the direction of current. What is right hand screw rule? Thumb is the direction of current. Curling fingers are the direction of magnetic field. समझ गया ना आप लोग? I am just writing and specifying you to find direction of torque. Which rule we have to use it? Very good. Right hand rule. What is right hand rule? Thumb is the direction of magnetic field and the fingers, curling fingers are the direction of current. And next one is to find B. B means lesson. What is B? Magnetic field. Did you find the direction of magnetic field using the equation right hand screw rule? It is also known as
right hand thumb rule.
It is also known as
Right hand thumb rule.
right hand thumb rule. Okay, otherwise right hand thumb rule. Thumb is the direction of
Current.
and the fingers are the direction of
Magnetic field.
magnetic field. Clear, everyone? Magnetic field means direction of what direction हम लोग find out कर रहे हैं? Torque है ना? So magnetic field and current direction मिलते हैं तो we can assume the direction of torque. One of the example we have to done, then we can clear it. This was clear, everyone? Pause the video. Okay, loop is placed in a magnetic field means north pole, south pole. Direction of the magnetic field?
South to north.
South to north, because it is inside of the magnet. South to north magnetic field is here. A rectangular loop is placed inside of it. Clear, everyone? At the same time, I can take different conditions. Horizontal placement is possible. Vertical placement is possible. Inclined placement is also possible. So different conditions are possible. Different condition may how it behave in the rectangular loop. That is our case. Case number 1. Idea मिला ना, heading का meaning समझ गया? Case number 1. I placed a rectangular loop. Rectangular loop मतलब इनका अंदर में कुछ नहीं है, जगह just rectangular shape है. In between इधर book के दोनों इधर pages है. Just बाहर वाला portion है, inside कुछ नहीं है. You can assume like that. Okay. So this placed in a horizontal way. So that means this loop is considered as a magnetic dipole and magnetic field is here. It is experienced forces. Why it experienced forces? Because we already studied a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field. It is experienced a force F equal to IBL sin theta. Am I right? We already studied that. So इधर भी देखो, इधर एक कंडक्टर है, इस पोर्शन भी कंडक्टर है, इस पोर्शन also कंडक्टर, इस पोर्शन also कंडक्टर. So how many forces are there, Krishna? One force. मैं कितना बोलिए? एक कंडक्टर में एक फोर्स है. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different direction में भी force experience करूँगा. Am I right? Any angles are there? हम लोग का एक्सप्रेशन है F equal to IBL sin theta. So देखो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज हियर, it is a horizontal method में है, so that means magnetic dipole direction is also same, so angle is
0
0, sin 0 का वैल्यू 1, sin 0 1 है ना,
साइन 0 इक्वल 0 है
sin 0 is 0, so that means our final answer is come to
0
0. I am placed in a vertical condition, and which one is I am placed in vertical condition?
रेक्टेंगुलर
This rectangular loop I am placed in a vertical condition. Only one difference is here, angle difference. All other conditions are same. Every conductors are experienced force. And in this case, angle is
90 डिग्री
90 degree. So F equal to IBL sin theta. Theta equal to 90 degree. Sin 90 1. So that vertical condition में maximum force is experienced here. Horizontal condition में minimum force is experienced here. We are detailedly to study what happen in the inclined condition. That is our difference है. Horizontal का type नहीं है, vertical का type नहीं है. Angle theta है तो some integration, different simplification method will be coming. That is our derivation. अभी overall idea मिला ना? A rectangular loop, we are placed in a magnetic field. What are the changes will be happening in the rectangular place? टॉर्क बनाऊंगा क्या, नहीं बनाऊंगा क्या, फोर्स कैसे है, that is our expression. What's the value? Listen here. I am considering a rectangular loop carrying current. So again, this rectangular loop is behave like a magnetic dipole moment. क्योंकि it is behave like a magnetic dipole. मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल है तो ना मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट बन जाऊंगा, सो इट इज बिहेव लाइक ए मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल. सो डाइपोल है तो इसको मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट है. मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट इज ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, इट हैव ए डायरेक्शन एंड इट हैव ए मैग्नीट्यूड. दिस मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट का मैग्नीट्यूड इज m इक्वल टू ia. दिस मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट का डायरेक्शन फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए. हाउ आई कैन फाइंड आउट द डायरेक्शन? यूजिंग द रूल इज right hand rule. What is the right hand rule? Thumb is the direction of magnetic field. Fingers are the direction of current. देखो ना अच्छा से, इधर से जा रहे हैं ना current, so fingers are like that. Magnetic field in inward. सही है ना? Clear everyone? आप लोग देख रहे हैं ना? Fingers are like that. That means this is the direction of current. Thumb is inward. That means magnetic field is inward. आकाश, inward means cross एक है, dot एक है. Very good. आकाश studying now better. Cross means it is a uniform magnetic field also. So inward a magnetic field. Clear everyone? I am don't create any external magnetic field is here. Yesterday's case में I am telling magnetic field में डाल रहे हैं. इधर external magnetic field कुछ नहीं है. Common sense use करके देखो. एक rectangular loop दा, मैं current दे दिया. The loop is behave like a magnet. That magnet का magnetic field है. You got the idea of difference between them? Yesterday we have to create a magnetic dipole. Circular loop magnetic dipole में डालते थे. आज हम लोग क्या कर दिया? Rectangular loop में current दे के we should give the current and the loop is behave like a magnet. That magnet have a magnetic dipole. That magnetic dipole direction is inward. Clear everyone? Yes. This is in the uniform condition. What is the meaning of uniform condition?
मैग्नेटिक
Everywhere a magnetic field is same. This much idea clear everyone? So magnetic field is inward. Then after that, magnitude is given. Direction of the magnetic dipole moment is also given. Then what is our aim? We want to find out the force. How to create the force? Listen here. This is my first side. How many sides are there?
4
1, 2,
sides.
3, 4. The first, this one is A, and this one is B. Rectangular है ना? Rectangular का opposite side magnitudes are same. Notebook देखो ना आप लोग का. Opposite side magnitudes are same. That means इधर B है तो इधर भी B. इधर A है तो इधर भी A. So what is the direction of magnitude of force? Force का magnitude क्या है? I, B, D. What is this I? Current. D means magnetic field. What is this small letter B?
लेंथ ऑफ
That side का length. Actually expression कैसे है? F equal to I L B. Sin theta. Clear everyone? In this case, what is theta?
90 degree.
90 degree. That's the reason sin 90 equal to 1.
One.
So that's the reason I can write the expression f equal to I, L का place में D and capital B, sin 90 का value 1. समझ गए कहानी? So this is the magnitude of the force. Am I right? This line का magnitude. The same force इधर भी है. F equal to same magnitude. What is the magnitude expression?
I, B,
B for the magnetic field.
A.
A, very good. A is the side is here. Clear everyone? Then in the next side, magnitude of the force is same, but direction is different. Please wait, I will explain the direction. Only magnitude we have to consider here. F equal to I,
B, B.
B,
B smaller.
smaller the B is the side here. Clear everyone? Then the fourth one, F equal to
I, capital B.
B, A. Am I right?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So all the sides F is here, magnitude is same, depends on the length. How to find out the direction? Because force is a vector quantity. Clear everyone? Force direction find out करने के लिए which rule है?
Fleming's left hand rule.
Otherwise palm rule. Clear everyone? I am using the palm rule, that is little more easy. I am taking current in this direction. Am I right? Magnetic field in
Inward.
inward. So palm rule means this is current. This is magnetic field. Palm is the direction of force.
Force.
So magnetic field in inward, current in this direction. So what is the direction of force, brother? Magnetic field is inward, current in this direction. So direction of force, Akash, downward. Palm कहाँ है देखो sir. Magnetic field inward, current in this direction. Where is my palm? Upward है ना? मेरा palm upward है ना? Fleming's left hand rule. इसमें डाउट है तो. Left है ना? Yes. Fleming's left hand rule. क्या है? Current, magnetic field, force direction. Current, magnetic field, force direction. Where is my magnetic field? Inside. Current in this way. Force कहाँ है?
Upward.
अभी clear होगा? So force is upward. So in this side, force is upward and magnitude is this. Clear everyone? Next case, current is downward, magnetic field inside, force is in this direction. देख रहे हैं ना सत्या? Okay, that means this is the direction. Current in magnetic field inward, current in outward, force in this direction. Okay. Magnitude is same, am I right? This is the direction of force. In this case, this is the direction of force, this is the magnitude. Next case, a magnetic field is inward, current in this direction. Inward, current, inward in this direction. कैसे पकड़ेगा? Magnetic field inward, current in this direction. So force is downward. Clear everyone? So force is downward, magnitude is same. In this case, magnetic field is inward, current in upward, force in this direction. You pick up on it. Current in
Yes, in this
upward,
direction.
magnetic field inward, force in this direction. Yes, force in this direction. Listen everyone, now you can understand that. First case, force upward, bottom case, force downward. In this case, force is in this direction. In this case, force in opposite direction. So net force क्या है?
0.
Very good, 0. So the rectangular loop is placed like that. Net force is 0. Force 0 है तो torque कैसे है मैथने का? What is the torque? Force into perpendicular distance है ना? So force 0 मिला तो torque भी 0. This is the case number 1. Clear everyone? Force is experienced in first side, that is F1, magnitude is IDB, F2 IBA, magnitude of F3 IDB, magnitude of F4 IBA. So only magnitude is this. What is the direction? Upward towards right, downward towards left. So cancel each other. Total force equal to 0. Total force is 0 means torque is also come to 0. What is the meaning? A rectangular loop providing current that is behave like a magnet. That magnetic field this direction is inward. And how to find out the direction? Using right hand rule. Well, Asheka, we have to find out the direction of B. We are using the right hand rule. Current direction is fingers. Magnetic field direction is inward. Inward means cross. So magnetic field is cross. That's the reason I am putting the cross sign here. The magnetic field is uniform also. Always remember, we do not create any external magnetic field is here. Automatically the circular loop is behave like a magnet because the presence of current. So magnetic field is the direction. F is also present here because we already know a conductor is placed in a magnetic field. It is experienced a force F equal to IBL sin theta. In this case theta is 90 degree, so sin 90 equal to 1. Length is length of the side BA like that. It's a rectangle, so opposite sides are same also. Clear everyone? That's a given data. We should get this final answer. And how to find out the direction of force? Fleming's left hand rule. Direction of force कैसे पकड़ेगा? Fleming's left hand rule. Direction of current? Fleming's right hand rule. इस दोनों cases में two given data are necessary. Only two given data are given. We have to using Fleming's left hand for the force, Fleming's right hand for the current. Only one data is given using right hand screw rule. Otherwise right hand thumb rule. Both are same. We want to find out magnetic field only given current. We have to using right hand rule. I hope you can understand the difference between the rules. Okay. So one more sentence also we want to write with them. That is, the current loop is placed in a uniform magnetic field. Total net force equal to 0. Listen. So this is my rectangular loop. Okay, rectangular loop. Now in a vertical condition, this is a normal condition. पहले हम लोग पढ़ते थे. इस condition में force is 0, torque is also 0. Now we have to study. Case number 2 is this rectangular loop is changed like that. अभी एक angle is made in the magnetic field and magnetic dipole. Clear everyone? This is the magnetic field. Magnetic field is changing its direction. No, magnetic field is almost there in the same direction. Our loop, circular loop is rectangular loop is slide like that. So with respect to angle theta. This much clear everyone? आप लोग देख रहे हैं ना? Rectangular loop है, इस टाइप से slide हो गया. So this is हम लोग का magnetic field है. This is rectangular loop है. इधर एक angle देख रहे हैं ना? So पहले angle कितना था? 90 था. अभी angle theta बना लिया. Clear everyone? Now the angle is making theta. What are the changes are? And try to explain you. This is side B, side B, side A, side A. It is rotating like that with respect to the angle theta. Listen here everyone properly. This side is also experienced a force. कैसे है? IBL sin theta. What is the direction? What is the direction? Current is here. Magnetic field is inward. So force is upward. Clear everyone? The bottom case also. Current is here. Magnetic field inward. Current is here. Magnetic field is inward. Force is downward. So this force and this force cancel each other. Magnitude be same. You can assume like that. Top ka, bottom ka, magnitude same, direction opposite. Top and bottom forces are cancelled each other. But these two sides देखो, force direction. Current is downward, upward. Current upward, magnetic field inward. Force direction is this. Directly vertical नहीं है. Angle के बारे में थोड़ा सा slide है. Slide से. एक पेन दे दो ना पेन. The force is like that. Clear everyone? With respect to the angle theta. Similarly, Vishna please come and this book is side पर लगाना जल्दी इधर. This force is present here. इस टाइप से पकड़ो पेन के साथ. दूसरा पेन दे दो श्वेता. This side में current is downward, force is inward, magnetic field is in this direction and force is creating like that. So देखो with respect to a small angle, two forces are there. You can to see. Everyone can to see. Just stand up and see and listen properly. So इस टाइप से force है तो it have a इधर से force आ रहा है, इधर से पकड़ो, इधर पकड़ो. आप अप करो ना, उधर पुश करो, मैं इधर पुश करेगा. क्या हो जाएगा देखो ना. पेन से पकड़ो ना, पेन इधर. You just move like that. I am also moving. The object is start to rotate. So what is the meaning? Rotation है तो torque है. Clear everyone? So these two side में torque 0 है, but inclined condition में torque is there. Idea clear everyone? Stop the video.